Hello, my name is Sujit Ng. I'm a sophomore here at the San Rosa Junior College, and I am currently studying psychology. I'm hoping to transfer and study psychology with computing specialization, and today I will be talking to you about human-computer interactions. So, what is human-computer interactions? Human-computer interactions, also known as HCI, is the study of how people interact with computers and other technological devices, as well as how computer systems can be designed to be more intuitive and user-friendly. HCI encompasses a broad range of topics, including usability, accessibility, user interface design, human factors, and user experience. HCI researchers seek to understand how people interact with computers, both in terms of their cognitive processes and their physical movements, and use that understanding to create better technology. They also study how technology affects people's behavior, emotion, and social interactions. In practice, HCI research is often used to design and evaluate software, interfaces, hardware devices, and other interactive technologies. The goal is to create products that are efficient, effective, and enjoyable for users to interact with. So, who? Who uses HCI? Who researches it? Who does it? HCI is a multidisciplinary field that involves researchers from a variety of backgrounds, including computer science, psychology, engineering, design, and human factors. HCI researchers may work in academia, industry, or government, and their research may focus on a range of topics. Some universities have specific programs and departments focused on HCI research, while others may have researchers working on HCI topics within computer science, psychology, or other departments. Companies that develop software or hardware products often employ HCI researchers to help design and test their products. Additionally, government agencies may fund HCI research related to areas such as public health, education, or national security. But really, how does all of this work? HCI research typically involves a combination of methods from different disciplines, including user research, design, and evaluation. The process, similar to the scientific method, has different versions, but in general, the process usually involves the following steps. Firstly, the user research. HCI researchers often start by studying how people use existing technology or by conducting interviews or surveys to understand how their users and their demographic that they're trying to reach need and prefer. So, secondly, design. Based on the insights gained from the user research, HCI researchers design new interfaces and technologies that aim to meet users' needs more effectively and efficiently. Thirdly, prototyping. Prototyping is when researchers then create a prototype of the new interfaces or technologies. This is based on design, and it can range from a simple paper prototype or fully functioning software or hardware. Prototyping can range, and this step in itself can be repeated to alter or fit new design requirements. Fourthly, following the prototyping, they move on to usability testing. Researchers conduct usability testing to evaluate how well prototype meets users' needs and to identify any usability issues that need to be addressed. Fifth is the iteration. Based on the results of the usability test, researchers make changes to the design and iterate the process of prototyping, testing, and evaluation until the interface or technology is deemed effective and efficient. And this area, these past three steps, is where it really relates back to the scientific method and how you gather data and then you return to the board, rework your thesis, and then you pump out a new idea new prototype, new design. And after all that is done, you have the sixth step generally, deployment. Finally, the interface of the technology is deployed to users and its effectiveness is evaluated in real-world use. Throughout the process, HCI researchers may use a range of methods to evaluate the usability and effectiveness of their interfaces or technologies, such as user testing, surveys, and observational studies. The goal of HCI is to create interfaces and technology that are intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable for users to interact with, while also meeting their needs and goals. I use this image of Apple products because they're a company that prioritizes the usability of their devices and appeal to the customers. They do this not only to build a better product, but because it helps them to make sales. The Apple ecosystem and interface is quite literally iconic, and they bank on this to make their sales. This all revolves around human-computer interactions and creating a product that appeals to their customer base. But really, why is HCI important? HCI is important for several reasons. Those being improving user satisfaction, increased productivity, enhancing safety, addressing accessibility, and driving innovation. Good HCI design can improve user satisfaction by creating interfaces and technologies that are easy to use, efficient, and most importantly, effective. By improving the user experience, HCI can enhance user satisfaction and make technology more accessible and enjoyable. HCI research can lead to the creation of more efficient and more effective technology. By reducing the time and effort required to complete tasks, HCI can increase productivity and improve work efficiency. Good HCI design can enhance safety by reducing the risk of user error and improving the accuracy and reliability of technology. This is especially important in industries such as healthcare, transportation, and aviation, where safety is a critical concern. HCI can also play a critical role in ensuring that technology is accessible to everyone, including the individuals with disabilities. By designing interfaces and technologies that are easy to use and navigate, HCI can improve accessibility and create more inclusive technology. HCI research can lead to the development of new technologies and user interfaces that push the boundaries of what is possible. By exploring new ways to interact with technology, HCI can drive innovation and create new opportunities for technological advancements. Overall, HCI is important because it focuses on the needs of the users and aims to create technology that is intuitive, effective, and enjoyable to use. By improving the user experience, HCI can enhance productivity, safety, accessibility, and innovation, leading to a better overall technological landscape and society. When and where is HCI used? HCI is used in a wide variety of applications. Today, the few I will be covering are software applications, consumer electronics, healthcare and technology, gaming, and augmented/virtual reality. HCI is used to design the user interface for software applications such as desktop applications, mobile apps, and web applications. The goal to create interfaces that are intuitive, efficient, and effective, making it easier for users to interact with the software. HCI is used to design the interfaces for consumer electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches. The goal is to create interfaces that are easy to use and navigate, making it easy for users to access the features and functions of their device. In healthcare, it is used to design healthcare technologies such as electronic health record systems, medical devices, and telemedicine applications. The goal is to create interfaces that are user-friendly and efficient, making it easier for healthcare providers to access and manage patient data. In terms of gaming and games, It is used to design the interface and user interactions for video games, including console games, mobile games, and online games. The goal in terms of gaming is to create interfaces that are engaging and immersive, making it easier for players to interact with the game. For augmented and virtual reality, it is used to design the interactions for augmented and virtual reality applications. These are becoming increasingly popular in fields such as education, entertainment, and training. The goal of this is creating interfaces that are intuitive and immersive, allowing users to interact with virtual objects and environments in a natural way. Overall, HCI is used in a wide range of applications today with the goal of creating interfaces and interactions that are intuitive, efficient, and effective, and that improve the user experience. At this point in the presentation, the benefits of HCI should be fairly apparent, but I'd like to take this time to capitalize on them. HCI has both benefits and consequences. Some of the key benefits of HCI include improved user experience. HCI focuses on designing technology that is easy to use, efficient, and effective, resulting in better overall user experience. Additionally, it can cause increased productivity because good HCI designs can increase productivity by reducing the time and effort required to complete tasks. HCI helps with safety as it can enhance the safety and improve safety by reducing the risk of user error and improving the accuracy and reliability of technology, as well as improved accessibility. HCI can ensure that technology is accessible for everyone, including individuals with disabilities. This is done because HCI helps to design interfaces and technologies that are easy to use and navigate. Because of all this, it can be the driving factor for innovation. HCI research can lead to the development of new technologies and user interfaces that push the boundaries of what is possible, driving innovation and creating new opportunities for technological advancements. However, there are also some potential consequences of HCI. HCI can create an over-reliance on technology. HCI can make technology so easy to use that users become overly reliant on it, which can lead to problems if the technology fails or is unavailable. As it stands, there are privacy concerns with HCI as well. HCI can create new privacy concerns if technology is collecting or sharing personal data without the knowledge of the users or the consent of the users. In addition, there are also ethical concerns regarding HCI. This is because the technology that is used can be designed to manipulate or exploit users, or if it is used in ways that are harmful to society. HCI is also a victim to bias and discrimination. HCI can perpetuate bias and discrimination if technology is designed without considering the needs of diverse user groups, or if it's trained on biased data. Finally, HCI has health concerns. HCI can have negative impacts on users' health if technology use becomes excessive or addictive, or if it leads to physical or mental health problems. Overall, HCI has the potential to create significant benefits for users and society, but it is important to consider the potential consequences and to design technology that is ethical, accessible, and user-centered. Ultimately, as unfortunate as it is, HCI's success and deterioration away from these consequences are not only dependent on us, the users, but also the designers who rely on it. HCI is an innovative technological development and can push innovation and flourish, but just as much as it is this, it is also able to be manipulated, and it is important that we are aware of the consequences as much as its benefits. You can't just ask customers what they want and then try to give that to them. By the time you get it built, they'll want something new. I chose this quote from Steve Jobs to display on the conclusion slide because it encapsulates what successful HCI should prevent. In conclusion, human-computer interactions is a field of study that focuses on the design, evaluation, and implementation of technology that is easy to use, efficient, and effective, ultimately being enjoyable for users. HCI is important because it places the need of users at the center of the technological development, creating interfaces that are interactive and that are intuitive, and most importantly, that are user-friendly. HCI has a wide range of applications, including software applications, consumer electronics, healthcare, technology, gaming, and augmented and virtual reality. While HCI can have many benefits, such as improving user satisfaction, increasing productivity, and enhancing safety, it is also important to consider the potential consequences, such as privacy concerns, ethical issues, bias, and discrimination, and health concerns. Overall, HCI is a critical field of study for anyone interested in designing and developing technology, and improves the user experience and creates a better overall technological landscape. Thank you for listening to my presentation today. That's all.